Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually remove suggested words on your iPhone keyboard. Now, if you've actually noticed it and you're an iOS user, whenever you type in a word, there's a certain predictive bar at the very top which suggests you which words you might actually want to type next. If you're bugged by that feature and you want to disable it, then you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to remove suggested words on your iPhone's keyboard. Now, on iOS devices, not only on iOS, on Android as well, sometimes what happens is that generally, let's say you go ahead and type in something, you'll be able to see a suggested bar which suggests you to actually type in another word or just simply press that particular word right over here. And let me just go ahead and show you for the example. If I open my notes, let's say, and then I type in, let's say, hi, and then I hit enter, you'll basically be able to see a list of these suggestions words on this iPhone's keyboard. And even if sometimes you don't know who this person is, you don't know what you've typed in, this basically is going to keep track of your typing sessions, and then it is going to suggest your words according to that. Let's say you actually go ahead and actually simply type in, and you can see all of the suggested words right over here. And what if you actually want to remove the suggested words from your iPhone's keyboard? Now, the process is really simple, so you want to make sure to stick with us till the end. Let's say that I actually exit out of and hop out of the Notes application. First of all, I'm going to simply start by launching the Settings app, so you want to make sure that you do the same as well. Once you launch settings over here, what you want to do is look for the option called General. So right under this gear icon in the settings icon, you can see this option which says General right over here. You have to tap on the General option. As soon as you tap on General, you'll be taken to this page where you have the options to actually customize many things. What you want to do is right under date and time, you'll find another option which says Keyboard. And what you want to do is simply tap on the option that says Keyboard. As soon as you tap on Keyboard, here you can see a bunch of different options and what kind of actually auto capitalization, auto corrections, and so on is actually turned on. Over here, in order to actually only remove suggested words on iPhone, now there are a couple of things you can do over here which we will leave for the next video, but only to remove the suggested words on your iPhone keyboard, what you have to do is you can find the option called Predictive. So right over here under the caps lock option and above the slide option, you have the button which says Predictive, and you can see it is currently highlighted in green, which means that it is basically turned on. If you actually want to turn it off, simply turn this toggle off, and if it is turned off, it is going to basically be grayed out. If it is turned on, it is going to be highlighted in green. So make sure to actually be aware of the differences. Now, once you've actually turned off predictive text, you have basically removed the suggested words. Now, if you actually come back to the Notes application, you can see the predictive search bar and the predictive text bar has actually been removed. Even if you go ahead and type in anything now, you don't have the suggested words on your iPhone keyboard. And this is how you can actually turn off or remove suggested words on your iPhone keyboard. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.